Right, so there might be occasions when you have a student or maybe even a colleague or yourself and you have some difficulty maybe typing, or you just literally want to have things happen a little bit faster for you because you can speak a whole lot quicker than you can type. So one of the features of Google Docs is voice. Now, there's a couple of things before we have a look at this. It only works in Google Chrome because it's a Google product. So if you try and open it in Edge or Firefox, Opera, or another browser, you're not going to find this option exists for you. So you've got to be in Google Chrome. But it's fairly easy how it works. You click on the Tools menu once you've opened the new Google document, and you get the option here. Voice typing, or you can use Control Shift and S, and a little microphone pops up here. And the first time you use it, you might find another message pops up just here saying, is it okay to use your microphone? And you just allow that, and you shouldn't see that again. You click here, and then you can just begin to speak into the microphone, and it will write whatever you say. So here we are, trying out the Google Voice dictation system. Full stop. And as you can see, it did a reasonably decent job of recognizing my voice. Occasionally, it doesn't quite hear a word correctly. So as with anything else, you're going to have to go back and just make sure your spelling's okay and it's not picked up a strange word. There are a lot of other things you can do with this. There is on Google's website, on their support pages, a whole list of how you add punctuation just by saying period, comma, question mark. There's a whole lot of voice commands as well, so you can select and copy and paste and apply bold and italics, change the text color, increase the font size. So it's fairly functional. If you want to be able to do that kind of stuff, then you obviously have the option to do that. So some of your students might find it a bit quicker to be able to speak rather than one finger typing on a keyboard. It also works in Google Presentations. So if you have a presentation, you can't speak into the boxes on the presentation, but you can use it to add speaker notes. So if you have a presentation, which in theory should only have bullet points and maybe some images, it's not really designed for lots of information to go on the slide, you can add dictated notes to the speaker notes at the bottom. In much the same way, you click Tools, Voice Type, Speaker Notes, you get the same microphone icon comes up here, and then as soon as it turns red, it's recognizing the fact that you're speaking to it, and it's typing the notes down in the bottom of the speaker notes on the slideshow. I think for some people it will maybe save a bit of time. Certainly for people with accessibility issues, it's going to be a whole lot cheaper than going out and buying some third-party software that costs hundreds of pounds.